This is steel. This is tough. This dumps. This is the hopper. The hopper is rugged in design with all steel construction and manufactured right here in the United States. With a powder coat blue finish, the hopper is generally used for dumping scrap material into dumpsters or other containers. The D-Series hopper can release its contents hands-free. With the bump and dump feature, a hopper automatically dumps when the bumper release contacts the side of the dumpster. After the hopper dumps the materials, it automatically turns to its upright lock position. The fork truck operator can also pull a cable while in a seated position to release the hopper as it dumps the contents into a dumpster. A locking chain is provided to secure the hopper to the fork truck. The hopper is manufactured with full-length fork tubes for maximum support and made with precision robotic welds. Custom colors are available and it can ship within 48 hours. Self-dumping hoppers have special poly lids and casters available as options. Get the hopper and start dumping today.